We are currently here on the KAIA International Airport in Jeddah. On this project, using Rapid Short System, Super Slim Soldiers and Special Steels. These products are being used to create the bridge system leading into the KAIA new International Airport.
My name is Baharuddin Laskar. I am working as Executive Manager for this company, Advanced Global Construction Services. We are working as subcontractor in this project. The main contractor is Saudi Bin Laden Group. And we are doing about 4 kilometers of bridges in this project. We have one of the most interesting part of the project, which is the arrival and departure way, which has very interesting structures in terms of substructure for the bridge, which are large arches in the project. And when we entered the project and we started talking about the formworks, we started talking to various formwork suppliers, and one of them definitely being RMD. The first discussion which was on the formwork, it was about the arch formworks, because everybody considered that this is a very, very important and critical formwork which needs a lot of attention. The most important thing on the arch was how we can construct the arch within minimum time period. And in that process, the stages of construction was very, very important. In fact, it was the most vital part. We always believed that we could do the arch in one shot, which is as high as 18 meters. But we always had some resistance from other technical experts saying that it's a very large structure, probably it will not be wise to do it in one shot, and probably we have to go into many, many construction stages. But we always believed that it can be done, and if it can be done, we will shorten our construction period. In that process, we started talking to the designer inside RMD, and he offered a lot of hope for us, and he is the man who said straight away, yes, it can be done. And he started designing it, and we submitted the design to the client. Naturally, the client's consultant started reviewing it, and in the first go, they said, yes, it's fine and it can be done. I think the result is in front of everybody. We are already through with 16 arches, and they are going in a very, very good way. When we talk about these arch forms, it was not about only the design and delivery. RMD people started training our people how to do it, how to do the scaffolding, and then how to assemble the formworks and all that. One very important aspect was that it was a precondition from the consultant that every arch, before its pouring, must be approved by the RMD. And in that process, we had a great support from RMD. Every time we are ready with the assembly of the arch, RMD people has to inspect it. They have to issue us a certificate. Then only we can pour the concrete. The after-sales support from RMD, really we are impressed about. It was done in a highly professional way with a good team of engineers and supervisors from RMD. Every time they are coming with full force, as if it is the first arch, and inspecting it in a very, very professional way. All of us, we know that it is a very, very important structure, and nobody can afford to leave anything in terms of quality checks. We have thousands of bolts in this formwork. Missing one bolt is not acceptable from RMD. And that is what we appreciated always. Now, coming to the next part, which is the deck slabs of the bridges, along with the scaffolding, that is also coming from RMD. And even the deck forms, we have the same procedure in place. We have different kinds of decks here. There are some variable decks. There are decks with various weights. There are decks of different lengths. All this design, custom design for every deck is being submitted by RMD. We submit it to our client. They approve it, and we are proceeding without any hurdle whatsoever. Overall, we are a very happy family, ourselves and our collaborating partner, RMD. And we look forward to working together in the future.